Hi, okay, so here is a full house tour. I will do like room by room where I kind of talk about what projects we're gonna do because we're gonna redo a lot of stuff before we move in. But here is a tour of the house. So here is the front door. Here is the garage. So we have a one-car garage. We don't really park our cars in the garage anyway, but we might do that. I'm thinking about getting a new car. We might put some workout stuff in here. We're not really sure. This mural is right by the front door. How do you feel about that? Whoever lived here definitely was artistic. I think we're going to get rid of it, but it's cute. Here we have our half bath, which we're gonna redo. These are the floors. So we're gonna redo all this. Coming this way off the front door leads into the living room, and then here's the kitchen. So in the kitchen, we have this little dinette area, which I think we're just gonna use this as our dining room. Beautiful window right here. The cockroach comes with the house, but they're all dead, thank God. We're gonna take all that out. And then we're gonna redo the kitchen. Again, I'll do more in depth on what we're gonna redo, but just so you can get an idea. I wanna extend the pantry, and then we can see into the living room. The stairs. You guys loved the stairs. I am not crazy about them, but every picture I posted, they were like, save the stairs, don't get rid of the stairs. I'm not a fan. Then going into the living room, I think too, because this light's here, technically you could put a dining room table here. We're gonna keep the dining room table in the kitchen area and then use this as like our whole living space. And then we have these old school mirrors, which gotta go. We're taking that shit down. And I'm thinking we're gonna put the couch here and then the TV and everything over there. This fan's gotta go too. And then we have this patio, which these doors open up all the way. So it could be like a huge opening. We're gonna decorate this all cool, put seating out there. Okay, now if we go upstairs, again, these stairs you guys liked. This is them up close. I'm not a huge fan of them. It's very DIY-esque, so I don't know. We're still trying to figure out what exactly we're going to do with the stairs, but I think they gotta go. When you come upstairs, we'll go this way first. We have our second bathroom. Needs to be updated. I don't really understand medicine cabinets. Don't get it. Here we have our laundry. We're getting all new appliances. Here's our second bedroom. This is gonna be like Bree's office. We gotta redo the closet. Yeah, the walls are blue. I don't know why I thought they were white. They're definitely blue. Coming back into the hallway. This bedroom is going to be, it's a smaller bedroom. This is gonna be like my office / filming room. And then once we have a baby, whenever that will be, this will be the baby's room. But look at this cute door. So this is the smaller room. Closet needs to get redone, and we're taking up all the carpets. Coming back into the hallway, you can like look down. Here we have a linen closet, and then this goes to the master bedroom. So this closet, we're gonna redo the whole inside. Where's the light? Oh, the light's not working. Oh, there we go. Okay. Nice size closet, just gotta redo it. These doors gotta go. I don't like mirrored closet doors. The bathroom I want to show you because we're gonna redo the whole thing. Where's the light switches are all weird. So this is the master bedroom. Look at this big patio off of our master, and we're gonna screen this in as well. Now we're getting all new lights, but what is this spot called? Okay, because I don't know what it's called and I hate it, and I'm trying to look up like inspo stuff of it. I don't know what it's called. And then look at this thing here. We're not keeping this, that's for sure. It has a pocket door, which I love. I'm so on the fence. Let me just show you. Okay, so when you walk into the bathroom, there's a tub here. And then a vanity, a really long mirror, this weird light. And then in here is another pocket door to the toilet, and where's the lights? And the shower. So the shower is kind of big. We're trying to figure out what we want to do because ideally, well, I don't know. I was thinking of closing off this shower and turning it into a linen closet, and then so the toilet has more space so it's not so cramped, and then turning this area here where the bathtub is into a huge stand-up shower with shower heads on both sides. Figure it out because the bathroom people are coming on Friday. Yeah, so that's pretty much the house, guys. I'll have to like go through, we're gonna walk through and I'll show you like what our inspo is for like each room and what we're like planning on doing. But yeah, and we're gonna film a bunch of the renovation projects. I think I'll do like more in-depth videos here on YouTube, but I'll also be posting like shorter type videos on Instagram and TikTok. So if you're interested in watching or coming along for the ride, make sure you're following on all platforms, which I will link in the comments, which I will link in the description box below. That's it. This is our house. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.